Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Chicken recipes is something that we all love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy to make starter recipe. This is crumb chicken. So let's get started and check it out. For the crumb chicken, first I'm going to cook the chicken for about 10 minutes. Just add 1 teaspoon of oil. For this recipe, I've taken about 1 kilo of chicken pieces with bone, but you can also use boneless chicken pieces. So gently mix it. Keep the flame on low and just cook the chicken for about 10 minutes. So you can see the chicken is partially cooked. It's just been about 10 minutes. Turn off the stove. Remove the chicken pieces. Transfer it to a bowl. For the marinade, I'm going to grind a few ingredients together. Take 2-inch piece of ginger cut into pieces, 12 cloves of garlic, 6 green chillies cut into half, 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Instead of vinegar, you can also use lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt. Grind everything together to a nice fine paste. The marinade for the chicken is ready. The chicken pieces have come to room temperature. Now add the marinade to the chicken pieces. Mix the marinade into the chicken pieces. Make sure it's all completely coated. Cover the bowl and let the chicken pieces marinate for about 2 hours. For the egg wash, I've taken 2 eggs. Season the eggs just with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Whisk it nicely. Take the chicken piece, dip it in the egg, make sure it's coated nicely. Place it on the breadcrumbs. Make sure it's completely covered on all sides. Coat all the chicken pieces in the same manner and keep it aside. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, gently drop the chicken pieces. Maintain the flame on a medium. Deep fry the chicken pieces till they're a nice lovely golden brown color. The chicken pieces will be very juicy and moist on the inside and will have this lovely crunch on the outside. So that's a perfect crumb chicken right there. I've served this with some nice spicy mayo dip. You can also serve it with ketchup if you wish. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious crumb chicken. Now you've seen this is coated with breadcrumbs and it's deep fried. The key is in the marination, so make sure you follow all these steps to get this perfect chicken absolutely right. So do try it and post your comments and feedback in the comment section.